If you were to take apart any electronic device that contains a circuit board, you'll see the components are attached using soldering techniques. Soldering is the process of joining two or more electronic parts together by melting solder around the connection. Solder is a metal alloyed material that is melted to create a permanent bond between electrical parts. The uses of soldering stations are almost endless. It can be used to craft a variety of electrical and electronic components, from small computing devices to robots, and dedicated circuit boards to light and sound generators.